All right, so guys, this is number 7 out of 3.1, and it says several graphs of the quadratic function f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c are shown. For restrictions on a, b, and c, select the corresponding graph, and it says, hint, use the discriminant. Okay, so a couple of things we want to do here. First thing we want to remember is that when the number a is positive, the graph opens up. The number a is negative, the graph opens down. The discriminant is the b squared minus 4ac. When it's positive, we're going to have two real solutions. Okay. When the discriminant is negative, no real solutions. And when the discriminant is equal to 0, one real solution. Okay. Oops. Okay. So just so that you understand what do these things mean, this part right here refers to our, see if I can write it real big so you get an idea. The x-intercepts, okay? That's what it refers to. Okay, so I'm going to look at this first one here. A is negative, so that means the graph is opening down, and the discriminant is equal to 0, which means we're going to have one x-intercept. So now I got to figure out which of these here is going to match up with that. So the graphs that are opening down would be 1, 2, and 3. Which one has one x-intercept? This one. So that's going right there, okay? So let me get rid of this and get rid of that little mark, okay? And I'll tell you what, since this one here went down, let me see which other ones are going down. When the number a is negative, this is going down. When the number a is negative, this is going down. Okay, so these, we're going to look at the graphs going down. So that means I'm going to look at either this one here or this one here. So the first one, 47, says the discriminant is negative, so there's no real solutions. That means that there are no x-intercepts. So this one is going to get paired right there. So then by default, and if you notice, this one does have two x-intercepts. Okay, the discriminant is positive. There's two real solutions, two x-intercepts. This one is going to go right here. Okay. So now let's do the same thing for the next part. So look at these. In these next ones, my number a is positive, which tells me that my graph is opening up. Okay. So I'm now going to look at the graphs that are opening up. This one here, and this one I kind of cut it off, but I'll let you kind of go through that a little bit. So let's see. So let's look at the 46. The A is positive, so the graph's opening up. The discriminant is negative, so there are no x-intercepts. Well, this one right here, graph's opening up, there's no x-intercepts, okay? Let's see. Let me look at, I'm going to skip down to 50. So A is positive, so it's going to be either this one here or this one down here. The discriminant is equal to 0, which means I have one x-intercept. Well, if you look right there, there's only one x-intercept. That one's going to have to go here. So by default,